Yo le swag, young novice. This second video will deal about peer correcting in details. Peer correcting, peer-to-peer, is an important part of the school's philosophy. It is one of the most collaborative aspects at 42. At this moment, you will be able to learn, understand better, step back from what you've done and what others have done too, because you will correct them or be corrected by them. If you want more information about this philosophy and want to understand it better, I invite you to read the document about the art of peer correcting on the e-learning. So there's an important notion I need you to understand for the corrections. These are the correction points that are here on your profile page. You will start your PCing with 5 correction points. You're going to spend 1 point for every time you get corrected, and you will earn 1 each time you will correct someone. Once you have 0 points, you cannot be corrected anymore. Then you have to correct people. When you have too many points, you won't be able to correct anyone. You'll have to be corrected. This system will help us to regulate your amount of points. What's important is that the corrector has to go to the corrected spot. It's a rule we decided to implement for different reasons that you will understand later. We encourage you not to log on the same computer. The corrector on a computer, the corrected on another one, simply to avoid keylog problems. There is not always enough place at 42. Otherwise, you can log on to his computer and check if there is a keylogger launched. Be careful about that. Now I will show you how to set a slot. First, it's on your profile page. It's this button, Manage Slots. It redirects you into a little calendar, and here we can see that I've put a slot from 8 to 10:30. Then I can extend it, shrink it, delete it, and put another one. So what it means is I'm available on Saturday, the 4th of July, to correct people. Not to be corrected, but to correct people between 8:30 and 10:15. It means that between 8:30 and 10:15, I am at school, available, ready to correct. I won't cancel at the last moment. I'm not sick. I'm not somewhere else. If you say you're available, you are. Otherwise, you'll be marked as missing, and this might get you into trouble. In the same way, you can be corrected. To be corrected, imagine a lot of people put slots, like I just did, to correct people. Get on the projects page you've been working on. We'll take this good old D00 from the previous video. I register. The project starts in 8 days. Imagine it just started. I do my work. I push everything on my repo. The project ends. Fine. Now what happens? This button disappears and another one replaces it that enables you to subscribe to a defense. By clicking on this button, you'll get to a new planning page that makes you able to choose one of the slots that have been put by people. By choosing slot, you say that you'll be available to be corrected. And in the same way, I invite you to be available on the slots to subscribe on, or you will be marked as missing again. Last but not least, when you have a correction, it shows right at the top of the projects page, or simply in the correction box on your profile page. You won't get your mates' names 15 minutes before the correction starts, for several reasons that you will understand later. I wish you to all a great PCing and good luck. You will need it. It may be really tough. Yo swag, my dear fellows, and welcome to this second video, which... let's start all over again. Yo swag, my dear fellows. No.